Elon Musk is back at it again, guys. So we got some big news on Sunday around Tesla that we have to break down in this video. And of course, we're also going to break down the stock chart, which right now the stock is all over the place, guys. So make sure you stick on throughout the video because we're going to break that down later in the video. So let's just get into it. If y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 free stocks from Moomoo, guys. It is free money. Link down below. We'll talk more about that later. And now let's dive into the video. So you guys can see right here, let me make my face a little bit smaller, then we'll get into it. Bear with me, guys. Elon Musk announced on Twitter on Sunday, which you guys can actually see right here if I pull it up. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, by the way. I think my name's Stas on Twitter, and granted, I'm not too active, so I don't even remember. I think it's Stas. Go look me up on there. He announced that our next mega factory, well, Tesla's next mega factory, will be in Shanghai, capable of producing 10,000 mega packs per year. You guys can see that right here, and we'll talk more about mega packs in a second, guys. And we can see here, going back to that New York Times article, the batteries, which you can see right here, which Tesla calls mega packs, are designed to store large amounts of electricity, and a single mega pack, get ready for this, can power 3,600 homes for 1 hour, according to Tesla. That is freaking insane. And the batteries, which are roughly the length and height of an international shipping container, can discharge the electricity to run factories or homes when demand from the local power grid is high or during a blackout. And the capacity to store electricity when it isn't in demand is critical as electric utilities move toward wind and solar energy to replace power generated by fossil fuels. And listen to this, in China, demand for grid storage batteries is especially strong. So it's a good move for them to have this in Shanghai, and many provinces now require new solar and wind farms to have enough batteries to hold 10 to 20% of the electricity they generate. And China has also been liberalizing its power markets in response to a wave of blackouts in the autumn of 2021 when demand overwhelmed the country's power suppliers. And again, we just got this news on Sunday, which is when we got that tweet from Mr. Elon Musk, which you guys know he's tweeting all day over there on Twitter. And pulling up the mega pack Tesla here on Wikipedia just to quickly show you guys what this thing looks like. Actually, you'll see it on the Tesla website in a second. The Tesla mega pack is a large-scale rechargeable lithium-ion battery stationary energy storage product intended for use at battery storage stations, power stations, manufactured by Tesla Energy, the clean energy subsidiary of Tesla Inc., launched in 2019. So now you guys get a better understanding of what a mega pack actually is. And look at the website here on this is what, tesla.com. Go type in mega pack Tesla and you'll see this. This will give you an inside look on what it actually looks like. Again, they're pretty much the size, the length and height of a shipping container. Take a look at that. You guys can see exactly that, pretty much looking like a shipping container. And coming down a little bit more here, we can get some more details around these mega packs. The future of renewable energy relies on large-scale energy storage, and mega pack is a powerful battery that provides energy storage and support, helping to stabilize the grid and prevent outages. Very, very important. And look at the website, guys. Tesla does a really good job with their website. We have resiliency here. Megapack stores energy for the grid reliably and safely, yada, yada, yada. Each unit, like we already said, can store over 3 megawatts an hour of energy. That's enough energy to power an average of 3,600 homes for an hour. Then coming down a little bit more here, we have easy installation. Let's actually play this video very quickly to show you guys. Each Megapack unit ships fully assembled and ready to operate, allowing for quick installation timelines and reduced complexity. Look at that time lapse here, guys. Systems require minimal maintenance and include up to a 20-year warranty, and they're fully integrated, guys. Megapack delivers more power and reliability at a lower cost over its lifetime. You guys can see each battery module is paired with its own inverter for improved efficiency and increased safety with over-the-air software updates like, of course, the cars, the vehicles. Megapack gets better over time, which is really good. And take a look at this. Megapack is one of the safest battery storage products of its kind. Units undergo extensive fire testing and include integrated safety systems, specialized monitoring software, and 24/7 support. Let me see if I could run this video so you guys can see another little video about these Megapacks. So this is good news that their next mega factory is going to be in Shanghai, which of course is a massive market that Tesla is trying to target. Well, they've been targeting at this point for quite some time, and they already have one in Victoria, Australia, Angleton, Texas, you guys can see right here. And let's see, what else? Soldonta, Alaska. Either way, there's a bunch already in existence, and these are case studies, right? Megapack systems are customizable and infinitely scalable, making them suitable for projects of various sizes and locations. So what do you guys think? I mean, at this point, this is very good. Tesla's expanding. They're making their next mega factory, which you can't complain. And the stock, believe it or not, guys, in the morning, let me pull that up. Let's break down the stock now. It was down to $176 a share the morning that I'm filming this video. And ever since that point, guys, let me pull it up to show you guys. You can see right here, it has actually recovered a lot of its losses. It hit 176. Now it's at $184. It is up, let's see, about 5% from that low, but still it is down 50 cents on the day, in the red about 0.25%. As the overall markets right now are all over the place. The Russell's up 0.8, the Nasdaq's down 0.25%, the S&P's down 0.1, as the Dow's down up 0.1 rather, and we have the VIX up over 3%. So by the looks of it, guys, the fact that Tesla hit 176, that's not the best sign at all for the bulls, because look at this, we took the lows out from last week, which is not good at all. The lows from Thursday were right around 180. Again, we hit 176 this morning. We took that low out. And yes, we are starting to break back over the moving averages on the 5-day, 5-minute, but we're still clearly in a downwards channel on this time frame, which if I draw this out, you'll be able to see it. Let me show you right here. Boom. Still clearly in a downwards channel, and it doesn't look like it wants to fully break out anytime soon. Now, if Tesla starts to break past, let's say, 190, 195, all right, maybe then it starts to reverse. But right now, we're still in this downwards channel, so keep that in mind. And pulling up the 4-hour chart on Tesla, guys, you're going to notice, we're still clearly in the, an even bigger downtrend. If I show you guys this, look at that. We're still in an even bigger downtrend here on Tesla stock, and we just put a lower high in a couple of days ago. And if we do go for that low from the middle of March, which was right around 165, and we take that low out, that's going to be even worse for the the bulls, obviously. So I'm going to set my alert. I'm going to set two alerts. I'm going to put one at 165, which is right by that low from March, right? And I'll put another one at $175. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above, or below rather, $175 per share. And as for me, guys, I'm not looking to trade Tesla quite yet. But again, if it starts to break out, let's say on that 5-day, 5-minute, maybe at that point I'd consider it for a short-term trade, but we're not seeing that right now, and we're not showing any signs of it quite yet. So I'm being patient, waiting on the sidelines, and essentially I'm just waiting to see what ends up happening, how it ends up playing out. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button, and of course, subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stas Talks Money, which I am doing a $100 giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to get up to 15 free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up an account using my link down below, you get 1 free share of stock. If you deposit at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 free shares of stock. And if you deposit at least $1,000 onto the Moomoo platform, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So yeah, that's unbeatable, guys. Definitely the best promo right now for a new brokerage. Use that link down below. Get your free stocks. It also helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.